Individual Performance Commitment Mid-Year Review Form for School Year 2023 to 2024 for Proficient Teacher. Thank you nga pala sa gumawa nito kay Sir Joseph Angelo T. Gamay ng Pulangi National High School. Siya po yung ICT Coordinator and Teacher 2 ng Division of Northern Samar. Thank you, sir, for this. We have KRA objectives, weight per objectives, number of MOVs. So we have here the COT1 and COT2. So take note, naka-blacken yung COT3 and 4 kasi mid-year pa lang ito, teachers. So we have here the numerical ratings. So let's answer the name of employee. Example, Teacher Eloisa. Position is Teacher 1. Bureau is the Bacoor City. Rating period, so simula tayo ng August ng pasukan 2023 to 2024 ng January. Name of rater, sino po yung nagre-rate sa inyo? It's either your head teacher, your principal, or your master teacher. Kung sino po yung nag-o-observe sa inyo. And position niya, master teacher, head teacher, or your school head. Date of review. So, depende po sa school ninyo kailan nyo napag-usapan ang date of review. Example, January 31 to 2024. And approving authority is your school head. So, we have here the number of MOVs. So, ilan po bang MOVs ang gagamitin nyo for this mid-year? So, usually we have 2. We have for quarter 1 and quarter 2. So, ang COT1 natin or the CO1 so is 7, CO2 is 5. So yung under numerical ratings efficiency, si rater po ang magsasagot niyan. So example, 7.5, 7.7, and 5. Next, so how many MOVs for this objective? So we have here 2. Grades are 6, 6, and then 5. So now let's proceed. We have here 1 MOV lang kasi that is for classroom observation 1 for quarter 1 only. So the efficiency, we have 3. The same thing with objective 5. So we only have 1. Next is 4. We have here 1. And then 7. 5. So, teachers, mga sample lang po ito. 1. MOV. 6. So, we have here 4. Next is 1. 5. Ito yung rating ninyo. Okay, so we have here 3. Next is we have 2, and then 3 and 3. We have here, example is 2. We have here 5, 3. So makikita nyo yan, mamaya po is automated na to. Next is 4, 5. For the objective 12, we have here 3, 4, and 4. Next, also let's try to do this 1, 3, and 4. Okay, next is for the personal improvement. So we have that for the last. Okay, the plus factor. So as you can see here, we have the 3.876 and that is very satisfactory. So now let's proceed. And we have how many MOBs you need to prepare is 22. We have here ratee, rater, and school approving authority. Now, as you can see here, the IPCRF. So ito yung pinaka-summary na ng mga sinagutan natin. And you may check. Ayan, so meron siya mga blue color, green, and yellow. So, yan, makikita natin. Bawat po yan objective and KRA. So, nakaspecify yan. Kaya, napaka-grateful po dahil ako talaga kasi napakabait ni Sir na nagbigay siya ng ganitong template. Thank you po. So, now, let's proceed to the summary of IPCRF for the proficient. So, we have here the summary. Under here, meron tayong MOVs. Anong pong ilalagay nyo dyan? Ano yung mga MOVs na gagamitin mo for that objective? Like, for example, classroom observation o observation forms for quarter 1 and for quarter 2. That's why naka-indicate kanina dyan is 2 MOVs. So, yan po. Next, let's proceed to the objective 2. So, example, yan, the same thing. Kasi pag CO naman, dun yun lang ilalagay. So, try natin itong objective 12. So, we have 2 MOVs. So, example natin pwedeng ilagay dito kasi it's about the parents or guardian, the wider community to facilitate involvement in educative process. So, we have the parent-teacher conferences, the narrative report for quarter 1 and 2. So, we have here the IPCRF, Part 2. So, these are the Part 2 competencies. So, instruction here, please click or check the box if you demonstrates the following core behavioral competencies. So, we have the core behavioral competencies, self-management, teamwork, professionalism, ethics, service orientation, results focus, innovation. I-click nyo lang yung box dyan. Ititik nyo lang yung box. And we have also the core skills. So, parang ito, bago yata to. The oral communication, the computer, the ICT skills, written communication. So, once na binago nyo yan, yung nagbago kayo nagtanggal kayo ng check, magbabago rin yan. So, everything is automated. So, this is not yet official. So, parang ginawa lang ito ni Sir para sa ating mid-year. Next, let's go now to the last part. It's the development plans. That's part 4. As you can see here, we have strengths, development needs. Okay, we have the functional competencies, the core behavioral competencies. So, under those are the strengths, development needs, the action plan, recommended, and developmental intervention. So, makikita natin yung core behavioral competencies dito sa ating part 2. Okay, now, we have here the timeline, the resources needed. The same thing with the core behavioral competencies. And we have here the feedback. So, ano ba yung mga pwede nyo i-add na mga suggestions or something you want to write for your development plans.